In today's video, I will teach you how to remove a black background in Photoshop. First, go to your image and unlock it. Next, navigate to the Select menu and choose Color Range. Place your cursor over the black background, hold Shift and click. Then click OK. To smooth the edges, use the Selection tool. Click Select and Mask and choose the plus and subtract selection if there is unwanted selection that you want to remove. Adjust the smoothness and feather options. Once satisfied, click OK. Then right-click on the image and select Inverse. Then click on Layer Mask and the black background will be removed. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.